Okay, exercise here is circle class to extend geometry object and implement comparable interface. So we need to override equals methods. So circle class, that's the one we used previously. So implement comparable interface. So we are going to compare circle class. The comparable interface comes with one abstract method called compare_to. Okay. So we are going to have if-else statements to compare this object to another object based on area of a circle greater than or get area return 1 else if this get area less than or get area okay, we will return -1, otherwise it's the same. So let's say return 0. Okay, let me just implement get parameter. I didn't implement it with the previous exercise. Return radius multiplied by radius and then pi, which is 3.14. So mass class pi constant. I think circle for that. I think that's all. Save. Okay, we implement comparable interface, override equals methods, belongs to object class, and then two circle objects are equal if their radiuses are the same. Okay, let's create the two objects. Circle object 1, new circle, circle object 2, circle. So let's try two different things. O1 okay, equals to O2. It will return premium value O1. Then compare two methods, it will return 1 minus 1 or 0. Okay, let's just print. So equals method will return premium value true or false. Compare to method will return integer value 1 or minus 1 or 0. So let's use the second constructor with radius 10.0 with 5.0. We know that O1 is greater than O2. Okay. So when you learn this program, the first one should be false. Then second one is number 1. So that's the calculation is based on here. Okay, 1 k area with another object's k area. Let's try again here. So in terms of objects is false, and then in terms of compared to area of the circle happen to be same. So you return 0. Okay, that's all. Thank you.